welcome back to my channel. If you are new around here, hi, I'm Fabiola. I create all kinds of pink, lifestyle, fashion, beauty, and decor videos here on my channel. So if you're into any of that, consider subscribing, click bell notifications, and follow me on my social media, Fabiolag Official. So that means let's go ahead and move on to today's video. So I know it's been a very long time since I last uploaded a video. I just wasn't in the mood mentally, emotionally there. So I felt like I just couldn't sit behind the camera without tearing up. I have been going through one of the hardest times of my life, something that I never thought I would go through. But I feel a little bit better now, and to be honest with you, I just love and enjoy filming and doing YouTube, and for me that is like a therapy because I can get to express myself and the things I love. And I think this is something that I would probably talk about in the near future, maybe like a few months, maybe a year. But as of now, I feel like it's something that I can't even process yet and can't even talk about without just tearing up and breaking into a million pieces. But we'll leave that for next time, for a future video. But today I am very excited because I know the last time that I had filmed the video, I had told you all that I was going to do like a closet beauty room tour video. In my bedroom, I do have my closet, which is the IKEA pack system, and I have my vanity from Impressions Vanity. It's all in one room because I do have like a very small apartment. However, I organized it in a way that everything just fits and it looks kind of cute. I really love it. I love that I have everything in my bedroom and I can find, you know, where my things are and everything. But I'm very excited, and I did want to mention that I will leave as many links as possible to the products I will mention in today's video down below. Also check out my blog, fabiolag.com. There is a whole page dedicated just to like my beauty products and my room products that I have in my bedroom. So I hope you love today's video. Let's go ahead and get started. You're the cutest. Yes, you are. I love you, Mama. This is our new addition to our family. She literally lights up my day. Her name is Chanel, and she is so adorable. So here's an overview of this corner of my bedroom. This is where I have my IKEA packs closet. I did make some adjustments. I got an extra shelf, and I also switched up one, and I got them both so that they have the glass top. And I also got this little shelf right here, which is super cute. It does have glass, and it's also from IKEA. So here on the top is where I keep some of my boxes. I also have my custom name that my friend Rosa made. I'll link her shop below. And then I have this adorable rose bear, which is so cute. It smells incredible. This one is from my friend Ceci, and I'll link her website down below as well. But here on these shelves, I keep all my handbags. This one here is my favorite bag. It's one of my first Louis Vuitton bags, and I absolutely love it. This here is an antique doll. I believe she's like 100 and something years old. So I love antiques, and I've always wanted to have one of these like antique dolls. So I keep her there for display. And here I have some of my handbags, some of my favorite ones. And I have some more right here. I do have a lot of pink handbags. By the way, I will be listing a lot of things on my Poshmark closet, so I'll link it below in case you're interested. But I will be getting rid of a bunch of handbags and jewelry and clothing, so make sure to follow me on my Poshmark account. So here I have some more handbags, and as you can see here, like the difference, how pretty the shelves look when they're glass. I'm so glad I switched them up. They look just more chic and more like a boutique style. So down here, this is my favorite part of my closet. I know I say this all the time, but I like to display these like adorable little feather high heels. Are from Shein. And then my jewelry here in the back. This one here is from Marshall's. This one here was like such a popular thing during the winter time that I refuse to get rid of it. I know it's not winter anymore, but it took me so long to find it that I have to display it. And then over here I do have these two Chanel books. I'll link them below. They are so beautiful, so luxurious. I got them from Amazon. Have my Chanel bag and then these like little miniature perfumes. Over on this side I do have this Ray Dunn jewelry heart box, and here I display my favorite earrings. This here is a pull out, I forgot what it is. It's like a hanger, and you can either like display jewelry or scarves. And down here I also added an extra pull out drawer so that I could add some of my favorite wallets. I do have some like Juicy Couture, Victoria's Secret, Louis Vuitton. I have my Chanel wallet that I absolutely love. So I just have like different kinds of wallets in here. I just love to display them here. And I also have some belts from Juicy Couture. I have more belts here, and then look how pretty this is. This is the Disney collection from Coach that came out this spring. I had to get something from that collection because I love Disney. I have some of my belts, and then I have this book here also from Amazon. I'll link it below, but it looks so pretty in the closet. And then this other one here just holds my sunglasses, some more jewelry. I have some more earrings and some headbands. These here, these beautiful organizers, they're from Amazon. I'll link them below, but I love them. They're the perfect shade of pink. They look so pretty, and it keeps everything nice and organized. You can buy them in like a whole set, or you can buy them separately. So I'll link them below. And then down here is just where I keep some of my favorite shoes for display. These are my favorite. They're so pretty. These are from Zara. These are from Shein and Shein as well, but I'm loving it. And then down here, I don't really have much. I just have some boxes for display, my Chanel box. And then down here is where I keep like my PJs. So this drawer here just has like all my pajamas and like lingerie and stuff. Loving this drawer. Mostly everything is pink, I know. And then these two bottom drawers here just has like my clothes and my bras. I just like to keep everything organized by, I try to do it by color. Sometimes it's hard, but I do have some whites and pinks. And then the bottom here just has like pants and shorts and skirts. This one I have to kind of organize. It's a little messy. Over here on the side is where I hang all my pants and skirts. And that's what I love about this IKEA closet, that you can literally like organize it. It looks so pretty. And then on this part right here is where I have all my like pink shirts and blazers and coats. I'm like loving this one right here. This one's from Zara. This one's from Zara as well. Mostly all of them are from Zara, but I'm loving this one right here. Oh, and I also got these beautiful like pearl hangers at Amazon. They came in a pack of 10, and they have this like cute little bow. It also comes in pink and like other colors, but I'll link them below. It literally changes the way that the closet looks. It looks just so luxurious and so pretty. So this glass shelf is also from IKEA, and I absolutely love it. It also comes in like double, so if you want like a bigger shelf, you can buy it double. But on the top here, I display this beautiful blinged out YouTube play button that my friend Rachel Lee made for me. She's super sweet. She also has a YouTube channel. I'm gonna link it down below so you can subscribe to her. She also does beauty and fashion videos. And then here I have some roses. I have a bear. I also have a Chanel book that I got from Amazon. And here's where I put my Chanel bag and like my collectible Barbie doll. This is the only Barbie doll I have, but I really love her because she's collectible and she's from 2020. Here I have this cute little, I don't know what this is called, but I got this at Home Goods. And here I just have some perfumes that I use, but I don't use them like on a daily basis, so I just like to put them there. And then here on the bottom I just have my beauty fridge. This one's also from Amazon. I'll link it below, but it's so perfect because you can put all your skincare products in there. It's a little messy, there's too much going on in there, but really love it. It makes a huge difference in skincare. So here is where all the magic happens in my vanity. Love this vanity so much. It is from Impressions Vanity, both the mirror and the tabletop and drawers. I got it a few months ago and I couldn't be happier with it. It was a little bit hard to put together, but I did it myself. So if I did it, you can do it. I really, really love it though. It has dimmable light bulbs and they are daylight. The mirror is a little bit thinner, which I really love. They do have like other options, but I opted to get this one just because it's thinner and it's lighter. And it's also huge, which I really love. And I just decorated it with some flowers here on the top that I got from Hobby Lobby. And then here in the vanity is where I display all my makeup and all my things. So let me start off first with these gorgeous roses. These are from Rose Forever New York. They do come in multiple colors, sizes, and styles. You can choose from like a square or a round box. I did get the round box because I think it looks gorgeous, but look how beautiful these are. These are preserved roses and they will last you years if you take good care of them. They also smell incredible, like fresh roses out of a box. It makes your room just smell so nice and they just look so beautiful like in the vanity. Like this is like the perfect gift. So I'll link them below. I also have a coupon code for you guys, but this literally will make any girl happy. Like who wouldn't be happy with roses like this? And to be honest with you, I prefer roses like this just because they won't die. And they're still real at the same time. So highly recommend them. Again, they are from Rose Forever New York. So I'll link them below. But here in my vanity is where I keep some of my skincare. I recently started trying this one out from Kylie Jenner and so far I'm loving it. I did get like the toner, the face cream, and the oil. Over here I have one of my current favorite body creams from Bath & Body Works. I also got this new perfume from Zara. And I have my coffee mug right here with my adorable coaster that my friend Janini gave for me. And then also I have one of my favorite candles at the moment. It's Frosted Cupcake. Literally smells like cupcakes. I am loving this so much. It just makes my whole room smell so sweet. Almost like I'm in a bakery shop. And then in here I have some more jewelry. I did get these adorable boxes from Amazon. I'll link them below. They're from that brand Blando and it has like a glass top. Super pretty. Absolutely love it. Also on this side right here, I have this beautiful wallet that I was able to get my hands on. Like I couldn't believe it. This is the only thing I found from this brand, but it's so pretty. And then I have my AirPods case, my Chanel cream. I have some foundation. I also have this really cute book. It just has like really nice inspirational quotes, which I absolutely love. And I just have like other things in here like makeup and Too Faced lashes and some more items right here from Too Faced. I'm a huge fan of Too Faced, as you can see. Over here on this side, I have my current favorite perfumes at the moment. I am loving these from Chanel. I also have another Chanel one right there. This is the newest one. It's the Coco Chanel Mademoiselle, but it's like a fine mist and you can use this like all over your body and hair. And it literally just lingers on the whole day. I also have this one here from Viktor & Rolf, Dior, Coach, and of course, Juicy Couture. So I have them in this little tray that I got from, I believe, Home Goods. And look how cute this is. It's like a little brush. Love it. Here on the top, I have this organizer. So I did change it up because I had a different organizer, but it was so tall. It literally like came up to here. So I changed it to this one and I just have some like lippies and my Dior blush, Kylie Jenner. Have this little mini perfume right here. I have some bronzers. And here on the bottom, I just have like all my liquid lipsticks and my YSL lipsticks right here. And I'm not gonna go too much into detail what's inside each of them because it's not like a makeup thing, but I did get these like little organizers here on Amazon to put my palettes in there. So I'll link those below. But this is where I keep like all my makeup, and some of them are kind of organized, some of them are messy. These are so amazing. This just literally keeps your shadow from like not going all over the place. But yeah, this is where I keep like all my makeup. And then down here I just have this cute little basket where I put my slippers and all my stuff. Also, I did clean out a corner in my room where I'm going to be putting all my like office things, such as my computer desk, and my Cricut machine. So I'll probably be doing a video on that in the next coming weeks. I'm so excited to organize that area because I literally had no dedicated space for it. So now I'll be probably organizing in the next few days. But this was it for today's closet and vanity tour video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Like I said, I will leave all the links down below. So that was it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments down there below what you think. I hope you all have an amazing rest of your week. I love you all so much, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.